Good morning children. I Tapas sir going to teach literature to class 5 students. Today I am going to teach poem Foreign Land written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Foreign Land written by Robert Louis Stevenson. First paragraph of the poem. Before that I am going to say you something about the poem. The poet talks about the dream of a boy and indirectly talks about the various types of life. Everything is said with a doubt using the word if. Now, we through our lifetime goes to many phases of life like childhood, youth, old age, like this. The poet is also describing in this poem that how a small child dream about the future and how in every phases of life what he thinks he can do, and these are all imagines or imaginary of that boy. As every childhood we think like that, same thing poet wants to say in this poem. First paragraph, he says that if he could climb the tree then he would see the foreign land. In this line he talks the ambition of a child who wants to see foreign places. After that, he climbs the tree and sees how garden in the next door is decorated with beautiful flower and how he could see far off place. Now, a child got up to a tree which was inside his campus of the house, and from that height he is seeing to the other side of the wall, the another house which is having also beautiful garden and beautiful flowers in the garden. The garden is fully decorated, and how long he could see through that height. He is watching and experiencing the new way of or new part of the life which he had not seen before, because he was inside the house. Now he got a chance to climb a tree and to look beyond the wall. He could ever have grown up and gone to long tree. During this time, he sees river and he personifies the river as dimpling river. He had seen dusty roads curving up and down, and many people are walking with heavy sound because of the load they are carrying. Now, he looking to that long distance from that tree, he found a river is moving slowly, and he explains that river to be dimpling river, and because it is getting all the beauty with its well, it is moving along, and also he is seeing the dusty road. The roads are dusty, generally people are walking those way, the vehicles are going those way, and they have created all dust on the road due to the heaviness of the load they are carrying along with them. That road is, that's why it is very dusty. He says that if he could climb higher the tree, he could have seen the matured river getting mingled in the mighty ocean where the ships are floating. Now he is thinking, if the tree would have been little bit bigger, I would have gone much more higher. From that height I could have seen where this small river get mixed with the ocean, where the river get mixed with the ocean and the ships floating in the ocean. He could have seen the road leading to the fairyland where the children would have completed their dinner at 5 and would have played with the playthings they had come alive. Last stanza says, every human being after becoming mature will again go into the period of childhood. Now he is saying that he could have seen the road leading to the fairyland. Now this road which is very dusty, people are going on that and he thinks that it has gone to the fairy land where the fairies stay, and he completed the dinner at 5 and would have played with the playthings that he had come alive. Now the plaything is for him what he is seeing directly climbing onto the tree. He is, after having the dinner at 5 o'clock, he is seeing whatever he could see on the standing on the tree. Now in this poem, poet wants to say that every phases of life we experience something different, and it is sure that when old age comes, people also become little bit childish. They go back to their child age or childhood time, and they think everything in that perspective. So this is how Robert Louis Stevenson explained the foreign land means. Like life, human being also passes through changes, and the last stage of the life, the old age, resembles about the childhood part of a human, where he becomes a small child and he thinks the life and the world according to a small child looks. This is how I explained this poem, and this is a very beautiful poem, Foreign Land. Surely it will help you children when you go through the book one by one. It will every paragraph I have explained here, and it will surely make you easy way to understand the poem. Bye bye children. Have a good day. God bless you.